In the last video we downloaded the retune diffusers because go to the Systems tab and click on the error terminal. In place this type near the supplies diffusers. For example, it is a 2500 millimeters between them. And this value will set after arrangement. Now place one and copy the other diffusers. For setting value, we should create the annotation. If we want to move with this annotation the place of our equipment, we select this one and see that annotation value is available to change. Okay, then let's align the other diffusers on the similar placement with help of Align tool. I select this plane and click on the other in course. Do this and on left side. Then select all returned systems with fan and click on the duct to create the returned systems. And I change the cut plane of view for a comfortable design. Now we make the main duct above the supply main. I don't set the cross section because after we will use the duct sizing. Initially, the middle offset value is 4000. Create the sector and go to the 3D view. I see the collision. I select this line and set the value 4500. Good. There are two ways to connect our equipments to main. First is create the branch-like main for everything. Second is use the chance of connect tool. I select the fan powered and click on this button on the toolbar and choose the necessary vent. Okay, see our connection is incorrect. Go to Analyze tab and click on the Show Disconnectors. Tick on Duct, OK. We should correct this corner only. Delete the T and with help of Extend to Corner Modify tool, create the elbow connection. And let's repeat this action with diffusers. Select them, click on the tool button, select the main sector. You see that we can do this with diffusers which are on other side. We should to change the T to the cross and create the short straight sector toward these diffusers. Then I place the crosses on the necessary locations on the level plane and create the sector on both these sides and connect tool. After this work, I turn off the Show Disconnects tool. Let's check the system. In Analyze tab, click on the Check Duct Systems. See that we have a problem. Let's find out what's happened. See that our system hasn't System Inspector. and see that in system browser I have the access system in supply system part. We should delete these positions in system browser. After, go to the Analyze tab and check the duct system again. Awesome. I select all return system now and do sizing again. Set the parameters for calculation and click OK. We see that we have no place enough near the fan. Cancellation and move this sector a bit further. Sizing again. Good. The connectors have the several parameters for sizing: air pressure and air consumption. Based on this, the duct sector takes it and set the cross-section after the function call. We can do sizing for the separated duct sector and for all line too. It is important fact that sizing settings is depend on the right settings on family connectors. If we want to divide the supply and return systems by color, we have opportunity to set the contour colors and material for this certain system. Open the families part in the project browser and search the duct systems. Okay, click on the right mouse button and type properties. At first, the graphics overrides its setting for counters. Let's select the color. See the result. Second, in front of material parameters, click on these 3 points and material browser is opened. Let's create the new materials. I set the color name, red is return systems and blue is supply system. Do this action for other systems. Go to the floor view and limit the plane with the help of the view frame. For this opportunity, we should click on this little button in the under the workplace and move the frame and left and other sides on all sides around this. Okay. And if we want to see the 3D view and plane on the work window, we should open only these views and click on the tile views in View tab. Okay, we can work in these views at the same time. If we don't want to see the level marks on the 3D views, we can uncheck this point. We should go to the properties of the 3D view and click on the Edit in front of Visible and Graphics. And in Annotation tab, search the levels and uncheck this. Okay. Point is the duct legend. We can set the color scheme for the certain view with legend. I copy my view plane and rename this view to level 1 duct legend. Okay. In the Analyze tab, click on the duct legend and place it near systems. Good. Of course, we can change the legend rules, but the other topics are studied in the individual lessons. See you next video. Bye.